Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today I'll be talking about what is going to happen in USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 13th to 17th April 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in USD JPY on Friday. So as you can see, on Friday 0.2% positive move, 159.252 was the closing on Friday. So here now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bearish candle with a small body and a big lower wick and a small upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is around 67-68 level, which is indicating as a slight negative momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only depend on RSI or other factors, we should also look for other indicators or other events that is going to happen in the week, and then accordingly we can make our decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So let's open a one-day chart over here. So yeah, this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here in this one day chart we can see important support zones and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. Let's straight away talk about the closing first. So here 159.177 is the closing. Here 159.252 is the closing. Here the 159.177 is the direct support, and direct resistance is 159.444. After direct support there is a support of 158.917 and then 158.619. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 159.764 and then 160.003. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. Also, I have shared discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenge that you buy from those platforms. Also, if you want to be a part of my group where I share my own trades, if you're interested, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will share you how you can join that group as well. So now let's talk about my opinion in USD JPY pair for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a slight positive momentum in this range, which is 159.444 to 159.764. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range, but remember, if we see a price drop or if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 159.177 gets breached and a 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed below this, and you can go for a short till 150.917. Even if this gets breached, then you can go for a short till this level as well. Overall, my expectation is a bit positive, but we'll take a trade once a confirmation is made, whether it's for short or whether it's for long. Overall, my expectations a bit positive in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.